Hi plant friends, today we're plant shopping at IKEA. I can't believe summer is over. It went by just too fast. First up are the succulents, and these are in a 4.5-inch pot. The regular price is $6, but if you've got the family discount card, they're priced at $4.80. I like that these plants are labeled with care instruction, a bright home, lots of sun, temperatures above 12 degrees Celsius or 54 Fahrenheit, and minimal watering. They've got a nice selection of succulents in this area. You can get the jade or the echeveria. They also have a few cactus as well. $20 for their peace lilies. These plants are loaded with flowers. A few have yellow leaves, but you can search through and find a perfect plant. The flower on this plant is so elegant, they're also fragrant at night. IKEA also has sansevieria plants. These look like they're in a 5-inch pot and $10. They also had a nice selection of pots. These white ones are only $7. Check out their Dracaena mass canes. They're in the 3-2-1 style and they're $37. They also had a few yuccas priced at $40. If you're looking for chifleras, they also have these beauties. They're in about a 10-inch pot and they're priced at $33. These braided money trees are a little bit pricey at $46, but they're about 4 feet tall. Every home needs a Monstera. These are $40. More Dracaenas to choose from. This one's quite a tall plant, priced at $70. $46 for the bird of paradise, and these are in a nice sized pot. Check this out, they also have the Dracaena Cinto. These are priced at $30. If you'd like a smaller Dracaena, you can also get them here. The regular price is $5, but if you've got a family discount card, they're $4. You can pick up quite a few plants here. They've got the crotons, they also have the marble queen pothos, as well as some peperomias. They also have the medicinal aloes. There's one plant in each pot, but you can search through and find one that's throwing off some pups. Let's check out their cactus. These are in a 5-inch pot for $15. I love domino cactus, they're so cute. This one's quite interesting, and I just noticed that it has dates on it, so you can know exactly how long the plant's been on the shelf. This one's dated August 25th. Their ZZ plants are only $17 and they're throwing off a lot of new growth. They also have bird nest ferns. They're priced at $22, and check out these calatheas. They're only $19. These braided money trees are a little bit more affordable, $16. More Dracaenas at $22. They also have the Kalanchoes and they're only $6. The fiddly figs are priced at $17. I didn't see a price on these two plants, but check them out. They've got the string of hearts in the hanging basket, and they also have the anthuriums. I love the color on this one. I find it so elegant, that buttery yellow with a hint of green. Our final plant for today are the lucky bamboos. They've got loads of them here and they're priced at $5. Thanks for watching, plant friends. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Bellina.